Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this kind of pattern which you can see on the background with Inkscape. Let's start by adding a hexagon to the canvas. Another important thing is to turn on snapping, especially the cusp nodes. Now take the pen tool and start drawing the inner shape. As we have already turned on snapping, the point will snap to the center here. As you can see here, I have lowered down the opacity of the object, so we can see the objects we are drawing here. We have to draw all three sides of the cube, and I just delete the background shape as we don't need that anymore. Select all three and press Ctrl D so you can make a duplicate of the object and flip vertically. Just move the object up that can perfectly align with the middle part. Now I delete the second one, and select top two shapes and combine them. Now flip again. Now select both shapes, go to path, difference. So this is the shape we want. Now we can delete other shapes, and we are going to make duplicates of the shapes and put on these sides. You can hold the control key while rotating. That will snap to some certain degrees. Now take another copy of this one by pressing Ctrl D and flip horizontally. Let's change the color. Now select all and press Ctrl G to make a group and Ctrl D to take a duplicate. Do the same, make copies and place them around the middle object. Now I am drawing a rectangle. We have to find the shape which we can repeat. Don't forget to select all objects in the background. I'm not talking about the square. Select all objects in the background and make a group before moving forward. Then add the rectangle. Now select both objects, the background objects and the rectangle. Then go to object, clip, set clip. So this is the shape we want, which we can repeat. Go to clone, I'm going to make it 100,000 pixel width and 1000 pixel height and press create. So this is the final result. That's how we can easily create a pattern like this. Please don't forget to subscribe me for more tutorial like this. Thank you.